Alright, this video is going to be about the if-else statements with logic models. You should print this and try writing it out on your own. If you don't understand it, look at the answers and or just watch the video. So, first one, it says at the end of the AP Computer Science course, students have the opportunity to take the exam for college credit. Using the following chart, write an if-else, if-else statement that assigns a message to a string variable depending on the AP grade. Also create the logic model. So these are your different AP grades, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is the message that should correspond with each grade. So you earn college credit. You earn college credit unless you attend an Ivy League school. Your college credit will depend on your college, and the last two you fail to earn college credit. So, this is the logic model I created in Lucidchart. So I just said AP grade. So if it's a 5, then you earn college credit. False, meaning no. You check to see if you got a 4. If you did, yes, true. Your message, you earn college credit unless you attend an Ivy League school. False, then you got to check to see if it's they got a 3. If they did, your college credit will depend on your college, and if you didn't get any of those, you did not earn college credit, or you failed to earn college credit. All right, and so here's your if-else statement that would go along with that. Tests for everything in here. Now, you know, if somebody entered some screwy like a score that's higher than 5, like a 6, then you know the data's bad and you failed to earn college credit. So everything gets hit, and so this is a good one. So make sure you can write that out by hand. So 2, using the following chart, write an if-else statement that assigns 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to an AP grade depending on the final score range. Also create the logic model. So if they get a score between 60 and 80, they got a 5. If it's between 45 and 59, they got a 4. 33 to 44, 3. 25 to 32 is a 2, and a 0 to 24 is a 1. So again, you should be able to write this out by hand and create the logic model. So there's your logic model. If it's greater than or equal to 60, you get a 5. If not, you got to check to see if it's greater than or equal to 45, you got a 4. That's false. You got to check to see if it's greater than or equal to 33. If that's true, you get a 3. And if it's not, you check to see if it's greater than or equal to 25. If it is, you get a 2, else you get a 1. And there's your if-else statement. So, not a very long video, but you should be able to write these by hand. And if not, come back and look at the answers. But this video is done.